Hi guys, in this video, yan, pakita natin sa inyo yung mga confluences natin and yung biases natin for this week with gold. So this is market analysis for XAU, USD or gold. Yan, so depende sa ginagamit nyo. Kung ano yung pair nito, no? Kung ano yung nakalagay na pair sa broker ninyo. So dito we have a sell bias and we're using Fibonacci fan. Ayan, so si gold, it came down from 3439 last week all the way to 333. Ayan, so napakalaking move niyan. And previously with the previous months, no, it's really not that kind of volatile. So yung mga $100 na pagbagsak na yun, it usually takes about a month or 2 months, but now it's just only a matter of a few days, no. So that's how volatile itong gold. And minsan ang bias mo is you're bullish na, pero all of a sudden you're getting these kinds of red candles and you're suddenly in a bearish momentum na. So ano nga ba tong Fibonacci fan? Ayan, so mga confluences natin and ay nausog yan. So ayan, papakita na sa inyo kung paano siya ginagawa. And dito nakalagay, no, meron kasi siyang mga ganyan, ayan, yung mga linya na yan, parang channel, no. So usually dyan natin siya binabantayan, yung range na yan. So that's why we created this kind of bearish bias, no, na nagsisell limit tayo at around 3,337 and yung stop loss yan nasa taas ng red line na yan, and we're targeting 3.3, which is a psychological support, and we're also targeting below that level or that channel, no, yan, itong channel na yan na 0.75. we're targeting that as sell stop naman, no. So kapag nagtuloy-tuloy siya pa ba, it could target further movement. So paano nga ba natin yung ginagawa? So pakita na sa inyo paano siya i-draw yung ganyang confluence, no. Yan, so bear lang, and we have this RSI lang, no. So pwede rin natin yan tanggalin, pero yan kasi part of our confluence yan, no. Yan, so normally we do Fibonacci retracement, but we do have other Fibonacci rin, no. This is called Fibonacci fan. And so we're just going to get these, no. So get na natin yung lowest dito. Yan, so that's how we created that Fibonacci fan. And ito, ang idea is maglalaro siya on a certain range. As you can see, it ranges dun sa green, diba? Ayan, on a bigger scale, and nagre-range siya dyan, and then kapag bumabagsak siya, ayan, dyan pa rin siya, diba? So that's the essence. And as you can see, tumatama siya doon sa mga linya ng mga Fibonacci, and yun, as it cross down, it signals bearish momentum, no. So dito ayan, so dumiretso siya sa 0.75, and so we're expecting, and on a technical standpoint, no, it's going to move this way. And so it's either it goes up, it breaks this, go up, or it goes down. Ayan. So habang hindi pa nangyayari, we can consider this, ayan, yung momentum na yan, yung range na yan. So medyo malaki-laki yan, at around 3.3 to 3.360, 3.350, medyo malaki na rin yan, no, if it's gonna go up, no. Pero kung hindi, yun, so that's a different story, that's a different kind of Fibonacci, no. So that's a different kind of drawing for Fibonacci. So right now, what we can expect is that it can go sideways like that if the long-term bullish outlook will prevail. But if it's not, then it's gonna go down to different levels, no. So again, this Fibonacci fan is just a confluence, no, one of your confluence. So you can you use this along with other support and resistances, RSI, and etc. It really depends on what indicator you're using. But this kind of Fibonacci fan, it kind of gives you yung range kung saan sila madalas tatama. So if you're looking for some more in confirmation ng support and resistances nyo, you can use this Fibonacci fan. And we're seeing here na we are at the lower end of their RSI, so it may go up. So sa 3340, then it may go down again. And since we have a bullish bias, I suggest that we have a sell limit here. That's why yun yung nirecommend ko doon sa ating Telegram community, which I invite you to join, and nandiyan ang link niya sa may description box or sa may bio natin, no. And if you're interested in trading forex or trading stock market, I highly suggest that you visit my bio as well. And so yan yung mga confluence natin, isa sa confluence natin yung Fibonacci na yan. So that's why we have that sell limit and sell stop. So kasi we have a sell stop order, pending order here below here. If it's gonna go down 3-3, then we can expect further down movement. And so we can target 3275, 3280, which is yung 3280 is makunat yan, no. Yan 3280 na yan. So ayan, as you can see, may kunat yan. And 3275, yan, pwede rin natin yan kasi it's a psychological level. And also 3250, and pinakamababa. Okay, so those are the targets for the bearish outlook. And but if it's gonna continue upwards, if it's gonna break here or here, then we can expect that it may switch to a different angle, no, sa 0.618 Fibonacci. So maglalaro naman siya dyan. Ayan, 3-4 naman ang tatargetin natin. And then if it's gonna go up, then we can expect 3-5. So that's how we look at it. And that's it, guys. I highly invite you to join our Telegram community. And also if you're interested in forex trading, kindly visit my bio. Thank you so much. Have a great day.